Here's the exact breakdown of how you can make $181,000 of profit per year as a gym owner. The first thing you're going to do is write down how much money you make per package that you sell in your gym. So your 2 PTs, your 1 PTs, and your unlimited classes. And it's based on $79 a week times 4.2 weeks in a month for $331 per month per member. From there, we're going to come down to how many members you've actually got or how many members you need, which is going to be 3 members of the 2 a week, 10 members of the 1 a week, 80 members on the unlimited, and 15 members on the part-time membership, giving you a total of 108 members per month for the year. The best part about this spreadsheet, it shows you exactly how much money you're going to make per month per revenue stream to give you a total number of $38,432 per month in revenue. From there, we're running these type of numbers, so we want to record how much expenses we have within our business. Now, I've gone pretty conservative here with the $7,500 per month on rent, as well as a lot of other expenses that have actually inflated, so your numbers could actually look a lot better than this. This takes into consideration the accountant, spending money on business coaching, marketing costs, how much it costs you to have a manager, some classes, the cost of PT, the cost of a customer service role, how much it costs you to acquire new customers, as well as taking into account how many holds you've got on a monthly basis, giving you a total of $15,000 a month in profit after you paid your taxes. Come over to the final numbers, we're going to be making $258,000 in the year before tax, taking home $181,000 after tax in your skyrocket. You're welcome.